Hi, my name is Terry Wilson from Wilson Architectural Building Designs. So I've just come out of a client's house who wished to have a single story rear extension, but the access to her property was really bad. Also, she was concerned about a neighbour and the Party Wall Act, and potentially having to employ a party wall surveyor and the problems that that may bring. Well, party wall surveyors are usually impartial and protect both people, properties from any disruption or problems. So they're usually impartial, so there shouldn't really be any aggravation. However, what I suggested was, because of the bad access and the concerns over the neighbour and the Party Wall Act, I suggested that they build their single story rear extension and use what's called a Raft Foundation. Now, this Raft Foundation is designed by a structural engineer and is only usually about 300 to 400 millimeters thick. So it's like a shed base, but it's designed by a structural engineer, and it's got reinforcing bars and mesh and rods within the slab that's set in the concrete, and you can build a single story rear extension from that, which is fine. It's usual construction. So because of the bad access, we've eliminated the usual trench foundation, eliminating the 600 wide and the metre depth foundation, which would incur lots of costs because there's no access and it would be a hand dig, and that increases build cost. And also, we've eliminated the Party Wall, or eliminated falling under the Party Wall Act, because we're not excavating near an existing structure or building up on a boundary line. What we're doing is we're just scraping away the ground level and building up on a sort of 300 to 400 mil slab. So if you've got bad access, or you're concerned about Party Wall surveyors and agreements, the Party Wall Act, then my suggestion would be to use a Raft Foundation slab designed by a structural engineer. Also, we recommend the Raft slabs if you're in your garden, you've got large trees. So if you've got large trees, there's usually big long tree roots that can get in the way of excavating the foundations. So there's a good few reasons why a Raft Foundation will possibly save you lots of time, lots of money and lots of aggravation. Good luck.